Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Diana Rose, 28 years old, from Philippines. I am happily married, blessed with two kids, ages 9 years old boy and 2 years old girl. My husband is a sari-sari store owner. My father is a farmer, but he is already passed away. My mother is a domestic helper. I have two brothers and one sister, and I am a Christian. My highest educational attainment is 2 years in college in business administration, major in financial management. My hobbies are cooking, singing, and dancing. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years, since January 1, 2024 to January 1, 2026. I serve three members of the family, such as one couple and one kid. I work also as a domestic helper in Lebanon for 4 years and 2 months, since August 2018 to October 2022. I serve one elderly in the family and two medium dogs. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and marketing. I know also how to cook some Chinese food like steamed fish, veggies stir fry with oyster sauce, and sweet sour pork. I know also how to take care of newborn baby, toddlers, and I can also offer a tutorial for your children, such as identifying colors and numbers, singing, dancing, and writing. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am kind, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I promise I will do all my duties and responsibilities as your helper. Please choose me and I hope see you soon in Hong Kong.